Sure, I ran and raved. Yeah, I'm a riot. But now I'm settled. Now I'm still. Don't go dark on me. I bet you will. And now you disappear. And I barely hear the words. It is just what it is. The last thing that I heard. And now you look away. And I wonder what you see. Said I can handle it. But that I don't believe.
Don't go dark on me. Don't go quiet. Sure, I rant and rave. Yeah, I'm a riot. But now I'm settled. Now I'm still. Don't go dark on me. I bet you will.
Said if I fall away, pull me right back in. Stand this thing back on its feet and measure it again. Said if I disappear, search until you found. Ignore my protests, the storm that will come down.
If looks deceive and the best hearts leave, and the best we know is the first to go. The snow's soon gone, there will be no harm. We will look beyond
and won't look back again. Don't go dark on me. Don't go quiet. Don't go dark on me. Don't go dark on me. Don't go quiet. Don't go dark on me.
Goes under the surface, yeah. No one knows what goes under the surface. No one knows. one knows what goes in the surface, yeah. No one knows what goes under the surface. We walk through the noise like it's any other day. The light never changed while the colors fade away. Don't think I know what this all means. Like a time long past, like a biblical theme. Chasing after nothing like a solo race. Talking about the future like we started then. While the now keeps changing, we don't understand. While the now keeps changing, we don't understand. And when you're looking like that, and when you're feeling like that, and when you're looking like that, then why you feel, why you real, when you go. And when you're looking like that, and when you're feeling like that, and when you're looking like that, no one knows what goes on the surface. No one knows what goes under the surface. No one knows what goes on the surface.